Well, with the festive season is coming up, Tony and Guy has decided to launch in a brand new place with all the safety precautions taken. So let's go inside and see who are the personalities that are here, and let's go and see the new place out. Well, I'm with the director of Tony and Guy, Janani. So I would like to ask you, how has the opening been so far?
It's been stressful but awesome. I have a wonderful team that are helping me a lot. And I have Christina with me, my manager, and our business partner Sohita, and everybody doing it really well at the moment. And I'm so excited for our new beginnings.
So, being a director for an international chain, and Tony and Guy is known in Sri Lanka. So, how has the experience been so far?
It is wonderful. I have to remember my husband, who is currently in New Zealand. He helped me a lot through this, and it's been a wonderful experience actually. Yeah.
What made you initiate the new opening of a new salon?
We were looking for new places. This is more like spa, and we like the place, and yeah, that's why we moved here.
What would you like to tell your customers, with the given situation in the country? So, how are you encouraging the customers to come here?
We are taking all the necessary things we need to take. We are sanitizing the place, and we have 1 meter distance. And I will ask, of course, people to come without any hesitation.
Well, I'm with Christina, who's the general manager. So, Christina, how has the experience been putting this tremendous place together?
I actually don't know what to say. It has been amazing, and I think it was a dream come true. The moment we stepped into this place, we knew this was the place for us. And then talking about Tony and Guy, yes, Tony and Guy need something like this because it's extraordinary. It stands out all the time. So I think it needs an extraordinary place to. It has all the facts. We have the lovely team. We have the best brand in the world. So we have to have the best players as well. So I think we've moved in just in right time.
And Tony and Guy being an international brand, a lot of people are expecting the same standard. So how do you think that you were meeting those expectations with your clients?
That's a good question, Satma, because actually, yes, like it's like this. Now, when you say haircuts, everything you know about haircuts is different when it comes to Tony and Guy because our staff is being trained by global trainers and they are being sent to different countries, different parts of the world to study about haircuts, to get yourself updated. It's never the same cut every year, right? So they introduce new cuts, new styles, and the Tony and Guy calendar has never been the same, at least twice, no. It has always been updated, and then all the staff is being updated every week, every Monday we have our trainings even through Zoom trainings. So it's actually a very different experience. You don't get just a haircut here, you just get a new experience. I mean, there's a consultation done, and there are lots of different new techniques, which makes you a very, very special personality when you walk out of this place. So I think that makes us stand out.
And since we're very close to the season, like the festive season, what would you tell your potential customers or the existing clients to come to Tony and Guy? What do you think makes Tony and Guy stand out from the other salon?
Okay, so frequently we hear about the same comment where people say, I've been going to salons for a long time, but I've never got a haircut that I've been very satisfied with. So I think that's where you have to come to Tony and Guy. Okay, so it doesn't matter if you haven't got that particular haircut or the style that you're looking forward, for a long time. It's just it's just your call. Just come in and say what you want. Our hairdressers, stylists, style directors, they simply know what you really want. And then you walk out amazing, feeling amazing and looking amazing.
So I'm with one of the loyal customers and a good friend of Mr. Dinesh, Mr. Prasad. So how are you feeling today?
I'm very happy to see this place. They have done a wonderful job in converting this house into a beautiful salon with all the facilities, and all the modern equipment are being brought here.
And compared to the previous place, do you see a huge change here and do you expect something better to come in the future?
I see this is quite nice, compact, and at the same time, this is a very good location for me. I mean, I prefer this area than where it was before.
And Tony and Guy being an international chain, do you think the Sri Lankan Tony and Guy is like living up to the same standards?
I definitely think so. I have been exposed to elsewhere as well, and I feel Tony and Guy Sri Lanka has a very talented pool of artists and who are delivering extremely good work.
Okay. And with you being a loyal customer, do you encourage other people to come here also?
Definitely, I do encourage everybody to come here, and they are equipped with all the latest technology and very good product range and quality care, quality control. Everything is internationally maintained. So I'm pretty happy to recommend to anyone the Tony and Guy services.
Well, I'm with Mrs. Shan right now. Mrs. Shan, so how's the new place looking?
It's fantastic, fabulous, and like I've been before to what place, and it's like little bit congested, and you don't feel like that it's like a commercial area, but here we reflect the homely feeling, and the environment and the conducive place, and the way the architecture and everything is fabulous, perfect.
And you've been a very loyal customer to the brand. What do you think makes Tony and Guy unique compared to other salons?
Their brands, the products, and plus their services. And the brand name from it's like Tony and Guy, it's like UK, it's all over the world. But the best part of it is their services plus the quality, the product what they give, and plus the staffs, very friendly and the atmosphere and the service. Everything is fabulous. Plus the particular thing is brand name and their products. They keep on changing the products, but they introduce a new products, but still they have their unique brand products, which is maintaining their the quality, and they are bringing out new products also. Like I think I just made an appointment today for the evening for a gold facial. So I've been to some other salons and maybe, but this like the gold facial, I didn't get the exact It's just they tell it's a gold facial, but you don't get that unique here. But I hopefully I'll get that. There's a new product they have launched it.
So the secret behind your good skin is the gold facial from Tony and Guy, is it?
Yes, right, absolutely.
So you encourage people to come to the salon?
Obviously, sure. Because I'm been here about 3 years from the workplace, and so I'm keep on coming here, and I have the difference. I feel the difference. So as I'm a guy, I'm feeling some of the ladies, and they obviously may have more miracles.
Well, right now I'm with one of the stylists, Brian, who's well known at Tony and Guy. So Brian, how has your experience been so far?
Hi. So experience, that's really good. I did work with other companies also. Then with that compared to this quality is really good, and the education sides and everything is really, really good.
What do you feel about the change from the old place to the new place?
Yeah, this place is really good and really nice, better than other place, right? And the place also very big, all good. Yeah.
And speaking about the quality of the products that you use, also the customers that you'll get, what do you have to say about that?
Actually, the Tony and Guy, this have their own brand. It's a label M. Compared to the other products, that's really good. They has making something special.
Right now I'm with Miss Ramya Veerakon, who just got a haircut. So how are you feeling about the haircut?
I'm feeling good as always. And I like the stylist, Madhu Vijay Gunaratna. I trust my head with her. because I'm a person who colors my hair regularly back to back. And so I have a lot of faith in what they do. I know they don't compromise quality. I know they don't compromise the process. So they do a fantastic job. And so I'm happy. And I'm here to trust my head with her.
And also, you've been a client in the previous Tony and Guy salon and this one, which is opening today. What's a change that you see?
Okay, so I see a very, what shall I say, a nice space. It's very well designed, very spacious. A lot of free space around, and which doesn't constrain you in this environment where we are supposed to promote social distancing. They also follow safety guidelines and precautions, and the staff is very friendly. I was happy to be invited for the opening as well. So I love the place, I love the people, and I'll keep coming back here.
So you do feel safe to come to Tony and Guy, even with the given situation in the country?
I haven't actually missed a regular appointment even during the worst part of COVID because I feel that we should not rely on threats and ambiguity. Like, I mean, I believe this whole VUCA concept frightens people: volatility, uncertainty, complacency. So these guys don't have that mindset, right? So I'm a person who believes in life, and I believe they believe in life. And I believe that they use their opportunity instead of thinking of the obstacle. So that's fantastic.
So I'm with one of the clients of Tony and Guy, who's Nadija, who's getting her new hairdo at the new salon. So Nadija, how are you feeling today?
I'm so excited actually because I have been here for a couple of times. So I think he will do a good job to me today.
And with your services that you have got so far, like how is it different to other places?
They are doing fantastic job here. That's why I'm coming here actually. So I'm happy today, their first day. So it's nice to be in here.
Well, I'm with Rehan right now, who's getting his new hairdo. How are you feeling today?
Yeah, good, thank you.
So, from what I know, you've been a very loyal customer for Tony and Guy. So, what made you so loyal to the product?
To be honest, Rasika has been my stylist for the last 10 years. So Rasika introduced me to the last Tony and Guy when he moved, so I've been coming to him since.
Do you see a huge change in the brand, like throughout the years?
Yeah, I'm seeing a few changes right now, and the new place is really good, very comfortable, airy. Yeah.
Speaking to all these personalities, you can definitely tell that Tony and Guy is definitely keeping up to the standards of the international brand itself. And as you can see, the new salon is giving a very homely feeling. And with speaking about their quality and the satisfaction all the clients are receiving, you should definitely come to this salon and check it out. This is your host, Satma Nugera, signing out from High Events.